PassionRadioBristol.com and the Free Blackbirds Pub presents a not
so scary
Halloween party.
A spooktacular
Free all day. Dress up and enjoy chicken and seafood barbecue,
spooky
pepper pot soup,
ghouly
cocktails, Halloween punch,
happy hours
on selected drinks,
and prizes.
for the best Halloween costumes, plus more ghostly surprises.
DJ
Desi Rankin and Ricardo takes place at the Free Blackbird Pub, 262 Stapleton Road, Eastern Bristol. Friday, the 31st of October. The Not
so scary
Halloween party, free all day from midday till late. Come along
if you dare.
This event is aimed at the over 30s.